Drummers, drummer and drum teacher Tim Conley here with you today with a fun video. Today I am going to swap out my batter heads on my snare, 10-inch tom, 12-inch tom, and 14-inch floor tom. I currently have the stock heads that came with this drum kit, because actually they were good, Yamaha Remo heads, and I'm going to be putting on some Evans G2 clear heads for a change. I have coated heads on there now. I've had them on there for quite a long time. So I've decided to swap them out, and I thought I would shoot a video of what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put 10, 12, 14 Evans G2 clears on. All right? Let's get to it. Start with this 10-inch tom here. And as you can see, this head has seen better days. It's pretty much at the end of its rope. It's such a great feeling drum. Like you can feel the quality. I got my drum key here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take all the heads off. I'm going to put the new heads on. Then after that, we're going to check out what the drums sound like raw. And then we're going to put my Yamaha EAD10 mic to them, put a few effects on them, and see what they sound like in a studio type setting. All right, so taking these heads off and putting the new ones on. Okay, so here we are, iPhone mic only. So please excuse the quality of the audio temporarily, but it's an experiment. So let's hear what these toms sound like, completely raw, no microphone at all. Okay, so I think the toms sound great. I'm really impressed with these heads. They sound fantastic. And I've decided to just stick with the heads for now. I think I might do the snare tuning on a separate day because quite honestly, snare tuning is a whole different bag. So we're just going to stick with the toms for today. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the microphone, play a little bit, and let's hear what they sound like mic'd up. Let's get to it. right, so thank you very much for tuning in. The toms sound great. I'm really happy. You know, a little bit more fine tuning perhaps, but for the most part, the drums sound great. I'm really happy with the attack of these heads. They're very bright. They're quite a bit, they've got a low end pitch to them, but they're bright. The attack is really there and it's very sustained and I really like it. It's a great sound. And I'm quite happy with these heads. Moving forward, we'll see what happens as I move forward using them and stuff, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, comment. I am definitely interested in seeing what you have to say about these fantastic drums and drum heads. Keep drumming. Take care. See you soon.